Hello my friends, welcome to TradingView KS. Today is 22nd March 2022. Today is Tuesday. So market slow today. Okay, today got some rebound on plantation. Later we'll take a look. Remember, subscribe, like, share and comment. Subscribe, like, share and comment. And let's check out the introduction first. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, let's check out the market. So today KLCI sideways a bit still sideways so I look at the Saturday, right? We look at the big picture. We don't see anything that can bring actually the market continue to go up. So probably this week will be something like sideways something like sideways something like that won't be very strong, but looks like it really test pass a test this one 15767. Okay, so looks like it's still on the sideways or possible slowly going up. Okay, look at the index. Today, sentiment 47, gainers 354, losers 396, not so good. Volume 1.55 billion, drop 1.88 points, 0.12%, 1585. So market open a bit strong, went up, then after 10 o'clock all sell down so market is not very optimistic Okay, look at the sector. Consumer up 0.1, industry up 0.07, construction up 0.28, technology drop a bit after a few days rebound finance drop 0.23, property drop 0.06. As I said, finance are probably going to drop for a while after a strong rebound last week. Plantation up today 2.23, RED 0.15, energy 0.14, healthcare drop 0.62, telco up 0.21, transportation, logistic up 0.34, utility drop 0.52. So the strong one is plantation today. Okay, look at the plantation chart. Okay, this morning I got post on Facebook plantation chart. Plantation chart looks like it want to go up but still not too, we still haven't have the full picture, right? Because this is only the morning session. Morning session is trying to rebound okay, but we still have to wait in the evening, but maybe can try pick some first my forex video is out today just now. There's a news LBS got some project collaboration this one okay. So I got post in my coffee.com. I got post about ABNB okay, take a look. Check out top gainers. So PNB Tech no volume this one no volume. Okay, KLK got some volume. PCHEM Petronas Chemical got volume, take a look. TAANN got volume, take a look. SIMEPLT Plantation complete no volume but take a look SOP, SWK Plantation, Kobe, take a look. Subur, take a look PR Lexus what volume today went up so high must be something big FGV, take a look. TH Plant, take a look. Genting just hold continue hold other than that, TSH, take a look. BPLANT, take a look. JTIASA is the plantation other than plantation, just this one plantation first, then we got want to see Kobe, PR Lexus, PCHEM and Subur okay, so take a look at this plantation first. Plantation, TS Plant trying to rebound. Okay, TS Plant already RSI This one, RSI go through 50, so this one can try, maybe got one more up, one more round, going one more round, maybe towards 1.03 or 1.16 or 1.165. So this one 16 to 30%. This one can probably we can try some probably. See tonight close what happened. Okay, you can maybe you want to go in early, you can try some now. Okay, in the evening, if evening still positive, tomorrow we add. If this one tomorrow not good, if closing not good, then maybe we just buy some, just test first, because sometime in the afternoon, afternoon is not closing, right? Sometime in the afternoon, in the morning it goes up, afternoon it drop back. BPLANT, you see BPLANT already got tail coming down already. You see, not so good. Okay, already see the tail. So it trying to break out, but cannot break out. Okay, so this one not so good, haven't break out. TDM break out already. TDM is stronger, but I don't play TDM because TDM is a bit slow. JTIASA. JTIASA also trying to break out, you see, right? Trying to break out only, so haven't really break out. Okay, maybe can pick some first. If at night close very good, then we're gonna add tomorrow. If at night close not good, then maybe later lah. TAAN haven't break out, so TAAN maybe I don't go first. Or TAAN haven't break above this one. SWK trying to break SWK. RSI still below 50. TAAN RSI above 50. JTIASA RSI above 50. BPLANT RSI above 50. THPLANT RSI above 50. So THPLANT I think better, is a better one, stronger. BPLANT also looks good. JTIASA still okay. Okay, trying to break out, can try a bit. TAAN not yet break out. SWK also. SWK RSI still below 50. This one I'm not too sure. This one I'm not too happy. This one okay. FGV okay. FGV already break out, and RSI above 50. FGV okay. Asawit not so good. Kimlun trying to break out. But RSI haven't go through 50. Kimlun maybe tonight All these already, RSI already break out. Price already break out. RSI already over 50. Can try. Those haven't break up, maybe wait tonight see what happen. FGV okay. THS okay. THS okay. THS already break. RSI above 50 and already break out. This one can try. INNO also can try. INNO already break out. Can try a bit. SIME okay. SIME also break out. RSI above 50 can try a bit. SOP haven't break out. Okay, SOP haven't break out, so this one maybe wait tonight. IOI Corp also haven't break out. So this one have better wait. This one. HS Plant also haven't break out. This one no, not yet. KLK also not yet break out. So these are not so strong These are not so strong. Batu Kawan also no breakout. Genting also Genting, look at a tail here. Okay, maybe this one, maybe United also not yet breakout. So those one that look stronger one is this one. THPLANT got more chance BPLANT. JTIASA maybe. TAAN not yet. SWK not yet. FGV okay, looks good. Kimlun RSI below 50. THS okay. INNO looks okay. SIME looks okay. SOP not yet. These are the few ones that you can try We'll pick some first, just in case it fly, And if tonight also looks good, if tonight close good, maybe tomorrow I can add some more. Okay, look at Kobe. Okay, Kobe trying to rebound. Trying to rebound. This one continue to hold. If you already buy in. PR Lexus big rebound. PR Lexus goring stock. The PR Lexus did very well during the what time during the COVID time because of the mask. Where is it? This one too high lah. It went up too fast 18%. I think better not chase Wait for it drop a bit more. I think the earning coming is good. Earning on 28. The earning report coming good. Maybe that's why it start to rebound. But this one already too high 18. Too late to chase already. I think maybe take take profit. Wait for it come down. Then only we see again. We monitor PLX, PCHEM. So Petronas Chemical trying to go up This one long term continue a whole long term Okay. SUBUR 6904. This one probably want to rebound from bottom channel, but this one very risky. Okay, this one RSI haven't go through 50. Haven't really rebound. RSI haven't go to 50. Volume haven't come yet. This one we monitor first. Maybe this one got one more wave up Got one more wave up. So we wait and see. Maybe it's gonna rebound from the bottom channel. But haven't show the rebound requirement yet This one wait and see Okay, so that's it for the morning. We'll talk about it. We'll talk again in the evening Bye bye.